Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down data types in variables. I'll keep it simple with real code examples you can try. What is a variable? Think of it like a box you put stuff in. Stuff can be numbers, words, or lists. The kind of stuff is the data type. Basics, common data types. Integers, floats, strings, booleans. First, integers. Whole numbers like 5 minus 3, 42. Example, age equals sign 25. Age is the variable. 25 is an integer. Integers are whole numbers. Next, floats, numbers with decimals. Example, price equals sign 19.99. Price is a float. Now strings, text in quotes. Example, name equals sign Alice. Name holds text. Finally, booleans, only true or false. Example, is underscore student equals sign true. It tells if someone is a student. 4 variables, 4 types. This is the foundation of programs. Mix in action. Name equals sign Bob, age equals sign 30, height equals sign 5.8, comma is underscore student equals sign false. Why types matter? They tell the computer how to handle info. Adding string plus integer causes an error. For example, print age plus name will raise a type error. Fix by converting the number, print name plus is plus str age plus years old. Prints, Alice is 25 years old, wrap up, variables are boxes, data types are the contents. Try your own variables with different types. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep coding.